What is up? So our next video we're going to make an activity entitled Investigate and TCP IP and OSI models in action. So first, as you can see, we have web server and web client. Objectives is examine HTTP web traffic and display elements of the CIP protocol suite. And now, part 1 is examine HTTP web traffic. Yan, simulation mode to generate web traffic. Real thing, we're going to stimulate simulation. We have a tab. Select HTTP from the event list filters. Show all none. This will be the visible events. It would be none. Edit filters. HTTP. Choose HTTP. Close. We have HTTP there. Now step 2. Generate the web HTTP traffic. We're going to the web client. Yeah. We're going to the web client. Click desktop and web browser. Type this one and go. Now capture forward for the event networks. Web client, desktop, web browser. We're going to type the .osi.local. Press go. We're going to capture forward 4 times. 3, 4. As you can see, there is a message that has been sent. After, we're going to explore the contents of HTTP packets. We're going to the info of the first one. Click the first color squared box under the event list info column. It may be necessary to expand the simulation panel or use the scroll bar directly to the event list. Repeat the information at device web client windows in this video. 2 tabs OSI model outbound PDU details. More events are examined, so there will be 3 tabs. There will be last event in the Steam chart. PDU details labs are displayed. Outliers. Make sure the 7. Click this one. As you can see, this one. This is the outbound. Start web server to the web client. After that, the second one, fast Ethernet. 1 arrow here. Yeah, that will be the way on transmitting a message. And now here we have 3 arrows here because fast Ethernet transfer, we're going to in layers to out layers, transmit the message. Click the outbound. Yes, this is the HTTP data connection close, content length 170. We're going to display elements of TCP and IP protocol suite. Click the PDU. In the event list, show all. Show all. What are the additional types? What are the additional types? We have DNS, ARP, TCP, HTTP. DNS, ARP, and TCP is the new one, which is the new added on our types. After that, we're going to click this one, DNS, to see the, so here, layer 7 will be DNS. That's all we needed. After that, outbound. This will be on our DNS query section. The information listed is the name of the URL and the type, class 1 TTL 86400, length is 0. Address is, we're going to click DNS info, address. The address is this one. This is colored. This is color. Find the HTTP event list and click the square box. We're going to HTTP and click the colored box TCP. Here. As you can see, the destination HTTP client, and then after that, as you can see, this topic is all about transmitting and accepting messages from web server to web client. This is a very successful transmitting method. So thank you guys for watching.